Hello, my name is Leticia Santa Maria, and this is my presentation about vocal tracts from phonetics and phonology class. Sabino Mola is my professor. Section 6. Another name for vocal organs is vocal folds. Now, let us speak about the role of the lung in speech sounds. The role of the lungs in speech sounds are the source of streamer. The lungs are not capable of movement themselves, but they expand and retract thanks to the movement of the diaphragm and the swinging of the rib cage. Let's contrast egressive versus ingressive. According to the direction of streamer, we have egressive. The air comes out of the body. Ingressive, the air flows into the mouth. According to the pressure of streamer, we have Froris versus Limes. Froris means weak, strong, voiceless consonants are called Froris. Limes, voiced consonants are called limes, soft, weak, because the forces of the exhalation and the degree of muscular tension in the articulation are weaker. We have a picture about Froris and Limes. Froris and Limes. The larynx is that part of the vocal tract that is located on the top of the trachea. The larynx is colloquially known as a voice box. It is a box-like structure situated in the front of the throat, popularly called Adam's apple. It is formed of cartilages and muscles. It protects as well as houses the trachea. What's their actions? The main function of the vocal cord is to convert the air by the lungs into audible sounds. The opening and closing process of vocal folds manipulates the air flows to control the pitch and the tone of speech sounds. As a result, we have different quality of sounds. Let's speak about glottis. The opening between the vocal cord is called glottis. When they are wide apart, the sound is breathed or voiceless. Narrow glottis, we have fricative sounds. Touched or nearly touched, we have voiced sounds, musical notes, vowels, and consonant sounds. In the tightly closed, we have plosive sounds. The glottis, the vocal folds, are like a pair of lips placed horizontally from front to back. They are joined in the front, but they can be separated at the back. The opening between them is called glottis. The glottis is considered to be open state. Pressed together, the folds are apart, and when the folds are pressed together, the glottis is considered to be in closed state. Now let's speak about the roof of the mouth. The roof of the mouth is considered as a major speech organ. It's divided into 3 parts. Let's speak about them. The alveolar ridge, teeth ridge, the hard palate. Its function as a place of articulation, and the velum or soft palate. It assumed 2 positions: velum lowered, nasal sounds, and belly opening, oral sounds. The function of hard palate is the place of articulation. Let's speak about tongue. The tongue is divided into 4 parts. The tongue action in vowels. The tongue is responsible for the production of many speech sounds. It can move very fast to different places and is also capable of assuming different shapes. The shapes and the position of the tongue are crucial for the production of vowel sounds. We have tongue height, open and closed vowels. Tongue, frontness, backness, front vowels and the back vowels. Let's speak about the lips. The lips position are round, neutral, and spread. Let's speak about tongue. The tongue is divided into 4 parts. The tip is the extreme ends of the tongue. The blade, it lies opposite to the alveolar ridge. The front, it lies opposite to hard palate. And the back, it lies opposite to the soft palate or velum. The tongue in vowels and consonants. We have tongue height and tongue frontness, backness. We have a picture that we can see different vowels. Let us speak about lips. The lips also play an important role in the matter of articulation. They can be pressed together or brought into contact with teeth. The consonant sounds, which are articulated by touching 2 lips each other, are called bilabial sounds. For example, p and p sounds in English, whereas the sounds which are produced with the lip teeth contact are called labiodental sounds. In English, there are 2 labiodental sounds like f and v. Another important thing about the lips is that they can take different shapes and positions. Therefore, lip rounding is considered as a major criterion for describing vowel sounds. The lips have the following position: rounded. When we pronounce a vowel, our lips can be round, a position where the corner of the lip are brought toward each other are the lips pushed forward, and the resulting from this position is a rounded one. For example, u. Spread. The lips can be spread. In this position, the lips are moved away from each other. Example, when we smile, the vowel that we articulate from this position are on round one. For example, in English, E is a long with slightly spread lips. And neutral. Again, the lips can be neutral, a position where the lips are not rounded or spread, and the articulated vowel from this position is referred to as unrounded vowel. For example, in English, a is a long vowel with neutral lips. Thanks.